excited for this because I'm going to go through all of my activewear. I'm very comfy right now. I've got a nice puffy sweater on, I've got slippers on, and I figured now is the time to go through my activewear because it needs to be done. So I'm actually going to be going through all of my activewear, and I'm going to be bringing it into my workout room because there's a closet up there. I just don't feel like this wardrobe rack is really what I need, and I feel like it's taking up space. So I figured today I would go through everything, share with you my thoughts on the pieces, what I'm going to be getting rid of, and then I'll show you how I organize it upstairs. And I'm really excited because I feel like I just want all of my workout stuff in the workout room. I'm tired of coming down here, going upstairs, then coming down here again. I just think it'll be easier in a fitness room. So let's go through piece by piece and see what I'm keeping and what I'm decluttering. I'm gonna start with a handful of tops here. So this one here is actually from Squat Wolf. I'm going to be keeping this one because I wear this one all the time. What is this one? Oh, this is like my favorite one from Lululemon. So definitely gonna be keeping this one. Squat Wolf, keeping the one from Squat Wolf. I wear my Squat Wolf shirts so much, so keeping another Squat Wolf. The next one here is actually from Lorna Jane. I'm going to be keeping this one. I want to wear it more, so I'm going to keep it. The next one here is from Apparel. I need to try this on. It's marbled, which I absolutely love, but it was quite tight last year, so I'm not sure how it's going to fit this year. So I will try this on, but I think it's going to go because it's quite tight. This one's from Jed North. I really like this. I haven't purchased anything from Jed North in a while, but that is one top I really like. My Lululemon Swiftly long sleeve. Definitely gonna keep that. This is another one from Apparel. I'm gonna have to try on. These types of shirts, they tend to not fit me so well because I feel like the top of them I'm always having to like pull down, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna try this one too. I have my Whitney Simmons and Gymshark top, so I'm gonna keep this one. The next one's actually a Gymshark top. I talked about this in my Gymshark video not long ago. I am going to declutter this one. It just doesn't fit me. The last top here is actually from Apparel. It's inside out, but I wear this one all the time, so I'm going to be keeping it, but I need the right hanger because this one doesn't match. The last top here is actually going to be from Apparel again. I noticed that I love tops like this where they're basically like a t-shirt but cropped. So I definitely need to get more of these. Surprisingly, I have a ton of sports bras. These aren't even all of them. This one here I was gifted by a company. Honestly, this is so cheap. I really don't like it, and it doesn't fit me well. So this one, it's gotta go. Okay, Apparel. I like this one for light days, but honestly, it just does not have that much support to it. And I just don't wear it very much. I think I'm going to get rid of it. Honestly, I have enough sports bras, and I don't wear that one. Okay, the Jed North Racerback one. I'm not a fan of Racerbacks anymore. I feel like they're too tight for me, but I wear this one, so I will keep it. Oh, this one from Squat Wolf. Absolutely love. I'm gonna keep this one. The next one is from Lululemon. I always keep my energy ones, so definitely keeping this one. What is next? Another Lululemon one. This one here is like basically, I should put this just with my bras because I don't even have padding in here. It doesn't really give me any support, and I don't wear it for workouts, so I am going to keep it but use it as like a lounge bra. Okay, next up, this is from Lorna Jane. This is actually really nice. I'm gonna be completely honest though, I don't know why it's so much money for the clothing because yes, it's really good quality, but there are other clothing companies that make just as good pieces in my opinion. This one's from Jed North. I'm going to pass this on. It's not really like flattering to me, and it's a little big, so I'm gonna pass that on. Squat Wolf, I am going to keep. Another Squat Wolf one I'm going to keep. I absolutely love the Squat Wolf sports bras. They're really good. And this one here is the Gymshark and Whitney Simmons, the first one. I'm going to keep this one as well. I also have another Squat Wolf sports bra. It's not on a hanger, it fell off, but I will keep this one too. And I have two other Gymshark ones that I'm going to keep. I absolutely love both of these. I talked about them in my Gymshark video from last week, so if you want to know more about them, you can go and check that video out. And the last sports bra is actually from Jed North. I'm going to keep this one. I do really enjoy it. It's like a racerback style, but it's not too compressive, so I do like it. I'm going to keep this one. Moving on to hoodies, I only have 3 that I use for like workout. So this one here is from Lululemon. Absolutely love it, so I'm keeping this one. This one's from Activewear, which I do love and I still wear. The next one here is actually from Gymshark. I talked about this in my Gymshark video. However, this one here I don't really wear for working out, so I'm going to put this for like loungewear because that's what I'll typically wear it for. So that's going to move as well. So let's get into the bottoms because we already went through all the tops and sports bras, so let's move on. The first ones here are actually from Queenie Key. I wear these quite a bit actually. Queenie Key I feel like is a hit or miss. You can get them very affordable on Amazon. These ones I still wear, so I'm going to keep these. They're very, very comfortable. I'm going to be getting rid of these. I feel like I don't mind the length of them, but it's definitely the fact that they're not very compressive. They don't shape my body as much, and I see camel toe. So these ones are gonna go. Wasn't for me. The next ones here are actually a pair of just Under Armour ones. I like to keep some leggings like the Queenie Key ones, like these ones, where if I ever want a spare pair of leggings just to go for a walk to the park, I can throw these on, so I'm gonna keep these. The next ones are the Form leggings. I'm gonna keep them. They're from Gymshark. I have talked about them and tried them on in that Gymshark video, so if you want to see them, make sure to check them out. But yes, I'm going to be keeping these. And the camo leggings, I swear all of my leggings are inside out. Does anybody else do that, or is it just me? But these leggings I'm going to be keeping. I really wanted to get myself a pair of the camo adapt leggings or a different print. These leggings, they're the best leggings. Honestly, they are so, so good. So I'm going to keep these. Now for the leggings that have been hung up, and I have to hang those up after. So the next pair here, oh, these are the Lorna Jane leggings. I like them. I'm not going to lie. I got a size small. They're good. They fit me, but I feel like I should have sized up, and I just don't understand the reason why they're so much money. I just be honest with you. Like, they're great quality, but I feel like you can get some good leggings at a better price. Squat Wolf, Squat Wolf. I wear them both. I'm going to keep both. These are Activewear. I am going to keep them because I do really like them. And these are actually from Squat Wolf. They're both seamless leggings, similar to the Gymshark ones. I love seamless leggings. If you're having a hard time with leggings, get a pair of seamless leggings and it'll change everything. So the next pair are actually from Activewear, and I got them in a size extra small, and I wish I would have got them in a small because they are nice and stretchy, but I feel like with my shape now, they're a little tight. And they have a zipper in the back, which is nice for going for a walk, but I feel like when I do at-home workouts, then I'm always feeling the zipper, like you can feel it. I wish it didn't have the zipper. But the other part is the holes go all the way up to the top, so I feel like sometimes I don't like the fact that you're able to see like underwear, so I may try them and see, but honestly I haven't reached for them, so I'm going to put them over there. The next pair here are actually a pair from Amazon. These are from Life Sky. I remember they sent me these leggings, and then they had all these promises for working with them, and then I never heard back or anything, so I haven't really talked about them much on my channel, but I want to keep these as like daily leggings. They're not my favorite leggings. Honestly, the best pair of leggings that you can get for an affordable price, go to American Eagle. Honestly, they're leggings I've had for over a year, and they look brand new, and I wear them more than my lines. So that says a lot. So these are gonna move to like my everyday leggings. The next leggings are from Jed North. And I'm kind of hesitant with these because I wanna keep them, but at the same time, I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep them because I did get rid of a few pieces, and I'm going to try and wear these more. I feel like with Jed North, it's almost a hit or miss because it's like size extra small and small. And I feel like with my body, I need a true extra small or a true small. So these ones I'm gonna hang on to because I have worn them, just not a lot. And maybe now that I'm kind of moving some stuff around, I'll wear them more. So I have 2 more pairs of leggings here, and they're both from Lululemon. I have the Aligns, and I also have the Train Times, which now they call them something else. I figured instead of bringing everything I don't want upstairs, I would just kind of recap what I'm getting rid of. So this one here, this was sent from a company, but it's a Fruit of the Loom sports bra. It's not worth it. It's not. Maybe as a really light support sports bra, but even the elastic band in here, it cracks. It's not worth it. I love the color, but I'm getting rid of it. This Activewear one is really, really nice. It's light support. Honestly, I would keep it, but I honestly just don't wear this one. This one has been in so many videos to keep, declutter, and it keeps making its way back and it keeps being decluttered. So it's finally gonna go. These activewear ones I'm going to get rid of. Honestly, my body's changed, not much, but it has changed. My taste has changed. I would prefer if maybe the holes didn't go all the way up and if there was no like zipper in the back, or if they were a size bigger. If there was something changed about them, I would keep them, but they're not. So I'm going to declutter these. The next thing here is the Gymshark Geo Seamless Top. Like I mentioned in my Gymshark video, the sleeves on them are just too big for myself. So I am going to declutter this top here. And of course, I'm going to declutter the matching leggings because I didn't like them either. So I'm going to declutter these. And honestly, this is an extra small. If this was a small, I would like it more. It fits me, but it's tight, and I only want to keep it because it's marble. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I have a ton of marble in my home. So much marble. And I feel like the attachment that I had to this top was honestly me wanting more marble. Like, this was before I moved out. I bought this top because I wanted marble. And now that I have marble, I don't have that connection with this top, and I don't feel like I have to keep it. Honestly, oh my goodness, I feel like I should take this top and I should make scrunchies with it. I want to do that. Okay, let me know in the comments if you think I should take this top, upcycle it, and make scrunchies with it. That's what I want to do. Okay, so anyway, I think this top, this is going to get out of my collection, but I think I'm going to make scrunchies with this one. So I ended up decluttering 7 pieces. That's pretty good for me. I ended up keeping one of the tops because I think I'm gonna wear it a little bit more now that I have some things decluttered. So I'm gonna go organize a new closet, and I'm really excited to see how this is gonna go and see how everything fits in there. So it is all rearranged now, which I'm really excited about. So I put all of my sports bras here, all of my leggings here, and then back here is all of my tops and my hoodies to use to work out. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it kind of motivated you to go through your workout clothing, because I mean, we all need to from time to time. So I'm really excited that I did this. I feel like this is much better, and I feel like now that it is in my active room, now that it's in the workout room, it's gonna be much easier to just grab things to work out. And I'm really excited because I feel like this is a reasonable amount of activewear. Like, don't get me wrong, there's still a couple pieces I want to get, but I feel like this is a reasonable amount. And up there is a pair of my shorts. So yeah. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very casual and laid back, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.